Yeah, I got BB stuck in my chamber. Oh, in the barrel. I'm going back to my building.
Okay, hold on. Oh, the misfires. They're in the alley next to that blue smoke.
Oh, I hit both. Like,
oh. No, that's alright, guys, I think. I'm going back to my building.
okay, hold on. Hit! Nice shot!
Holy fuck.
I'm a medic, yeah. Can one of you cover this corner though?
That was a nice fucking shot.
Yeah, I'll have that guy grab the corner.
Watch your head. You're alive now. Whereabouts are they?
Same spot, right on that corner.
Okay. This is very loose.
Yeah.
This is a huge tourniquet. Gonna tuck it in here for you.
Fucking right.
Okay, you're up.
Watch it.
Hey, heads up, guys! Okay. Alright, let's go. Okay, let's get back. Alright. Hey, you guys ready to get back? Moving.
Go! Okay, here we go.
Should I be on you, on your back?
Give him 2 seconds.
Go. You gonna go in the building or you gonna stay here?
Hug this wall on your way up though.
Alright, we're gonna go back. I'm gonna go back.
You want to take his spot?
Yeah.
We're gonna go back there.
Yeah.
Matt, you behind me?
Hit.
Tourniquet?
He got hit from the city.
Where you got your tourniquet?
You don't have? I think I had one.
Yeah, you gotta have your own. Okay. Gonna tighten it up.
Sure. Thanks, boys.
Oh, fuck.
How long got to wait?
It's instant. As soon as it's on. Okay, you're good.
Stay low.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, chemicals are moving.
Hey! Hey! These chemicals are coming. If it's within 15 feet of you, you die. So get a little in past the corner.
Move in. Sleep suppress.
Chemicals are coming in behind you. Just watch yourself.
I want to run to that building. Yep.
Yes, please.
Move.
Watch the crossing.
Crossing.
Ink! Go that way. Go that way. Hey, watch your back. Watch your back. We gotta move before they get to you. You gotta move before they get to you.
Moving.
Go. Yep. I got cover. Go.
Everybody in the building, get the fuck out!
I think so.
Hey!
Thank you. Go. He's coming right side, left side. He's the chemicals are coming around the building.
Stay away from the guys in white suits.
Dave, we're just gonna try to pull him back till he gas it.
Hey, they got that guy up.
What the fuck was that? Bro, fuck whoever is doing that. I know. Not convinced I can get back that far.
We're kind of surrounded.
Yeah. I have no idea, but it's really fucking annoying.